Meaning of disposables.
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 Disposables. The term disposables refers to products that are designed to be used once and then discarded. These products are typically made from cheap materials and are not intended to be reused or recycled. Disposables have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their convenience and affordability, but they also have significant environmental impacts. Because they are not designed for reuse or recycling, they contribute to the growing problem of waste and pollution. To reduce the negative impacts of disposables on the environment, consumers can choose to use more sustainable alternatives, such as reusable products or biodegradable disposables.